All right, so here's the second most missed question from the quiz. So on this one it says in figure AD, or in the figure below, segment AD and BE are diameters of the circle. What is the measure of arc CD in degrees? So first thing we're going to notice is that we've got a 90-degree angle marker right there, so those two diameters are perpendicular. Now if that side's 90, we also get a 90 over here because those two angles form a linear pair. That means our first equation we're going to set up is 33k minus 9 equals 90 degrees. So we'll add 9 over. That takes us to a 33k equals 99. We'll divide both sides by 33, and that takes me to a k equals 3. Now, we always want to look back to the question and see what they ask, and they ask for the measure of CD. Alright, so they've marked the central angle, but we know the central angle and the arc have the same measure. So we're going to bring that 20k plus 4 out, and we're going to use our k value and plug it in. So the measure of arc CD equals 20 times our k value, which we just found was 3, plus 4. That's going to be 60 plus 4, or 64 degrees. Alright, so our answer we're looking for there is 64 degrees. Again, a really common mistake would be to stop early and just provide an answer of 3. I hope you found that helpful. I'll be posting the next two most missed questions in just a second.